Online Manipur YouTube channel asibin birba mayam pum nang buwa mukana taram noksari ahan bada yam namaru yu pawa matham jage mekwala gi relief kem amada leiriba ipo anupa amana yekine yam nungsi. Thank you Silex photo asibu thabe pagi damakta yam nungsi mayam na yai fere hebiramu aduga mahaki photo asim yam da share to biramu pukning thogat biramu mayam pum nang puthagachari aduga mathangi update asina Manipur police takine 5 person arrested with sophisticated weapons. Kiki Meeoi manga sophisticated weapons ka loina na fare nan kiki Poropat nan Meeoi manga Fakhibadugi Matangda Manipur police na irak powerol ni tamtra truk thamapan in 2023 ge Manipur police na Meeoi manga fare with sophisticated weapons in camouflage uniform ID police ki uniform camouflage uniform set laga adrage khulaiga kornana Meeoi manga fare. They are being proceeded legally in response to this arrest. Large number of people came out to protest and tried to storm Poropat PS demanding release of the arrested persons. Joint security force repelled this attack by firing tear gas. In this, few persons received minor injury including an RF personnel. These 5 arrested persons were produced before judicial magistrate and they have been remanded into further police custody. Strict legal action is being taken against these anti-social elements. Haiba Meeoi singsu mathakta strict legal action laukhat lagani hain phongdokpiri. Manipuri police is determined to carry on such raids and operation and make all efforts to bring peace and normalcy in the state. Simultaneously, Manipuri police appeals to the general public to refrain from such protests and cooperate with the law enforcement agencies in bringing peace and normalcy in the state. 5 persons arrested with sophisticated weapons. There have been reports of extortion, threats, misuse of police uniforms, and the impersonation by armed miscreants. In view of this, Manipur police has been making all-out efforts to curb the same. Aduga mathangi update asina restaurant mari lalulup KCP noyon group na matam supagi wena thingjin khra restaurant sing adudi Khuman Cafe, Mercy Cafe, Sagar Cafe, Nuksipanthuk Khori Faba Khuman Cafe, Mukta Cafe, Lily Cafe, Lovely Cafe, Standard Cafe, Monu Cafe, Laikol Cafe, Western Cafe, Maggie Cafe, amadi Ranjita Cafe ni video sing bibagi tong tamayam pum nong pugo mo kana tagachari update kita makta channel na subscribe to biramo. Thank you so much.